Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today, I am going to take a science class for class 5 students based on competency-based questions and answer from chapter 7. Let's start the chapter question and answer. Our first competency based question is a short question. The question is, some disease can pass from person to person through the air. What is airborne disease? Answer is, the diseases caused by germs and transmitted through the air due to coughing, sneezing or talking are called airborne diseases. Examples: chickenpox, influenza, swine flu, etc. Our second civic competency based question answer, also short question answer. That is, question is, infectious diseases spread through germs. How can we cure the infectious diseases? The answer of this question is, in case of infectious diseases, to get better, we should take rest, eat nutritious food and drink enough safe water. For severe cases, we should consult a doctor and take medicine as prescribed. Our third competency based question, also short question. The question is, infectious diseases can spread in different ways: through the air, water, or by bites of animals. Give 5 examples of airborne diseases. The answer of this question is, 5 examples of airborne diseases are swine flu, measles, chickenpox, tuberculosis and influenza. Our next competency based question, also short answer question. The question is, we will not be infected by AIDS even if we touch and shake hands with a HIV infected person or use things that a HIV infected person uses. What is AIDS? The answer of this question is, AIDS is a different kinds of infectious disease which is caused by HIV virus. Next competency based question, also short answer question. The question is, there are many types of infectious diseases such as airborne diseases, waterborne diseases, contact diseases, etc. What is contagious diseases? Students, contagious diseases and contact diseases are same. So, go to the answer. The answer of this question is, the diseases which is spread from one's body to another is called contagious diseases. Our next competency based question is broad answer question. The question is, we can prevent the spread of diseases by covering the face during coughs and sneeze with elbow. Why the elbow better than hands when we cough and sneeze? The answer of this question is, while coughing and sneezing, we usually cover the face with our hands. Thus, the germs excluded get on the hands. We perform most of our activities using our hands. If we hold glass plate with germful hands, germs get transported to it. Thus, anyone else holding that glass or plate may also get infected. We also perform human interaction with our hands, like handshaking, holding babies, etc. Thus, germs can easily be transported to another. We should avoid covering face with hands while coughing and sneezing. We should use tissue or handkerchief and if needed we should use elbow instead of hands. Elbow are relatively less used for holding something or for interaction. Thus, for covering coughs and sneeze, elbow is better option than hands. Now, students, come to our next competency based question. This is a word answer question. The stem of the question is Rima's younger brother Rana is suffering from dengue fever. Rana is admitted into hospital. Rima now answers about the well-being of others because if one family member can get dengue fever, others can too. Discuss how Rima can prevent other members of the family from getting dengue fever. The answer of this question is dengue is an infectious disease which is spread by mosquito. A person gets dengue fever if he is bitten by a mosquito which carries the germs of dengue disease. So, if Rima wants to prevent family members from getting dengue fever, she must prevent mosquitoes. To prevent mosquitoes, she must destroy the places where mosquitoes lay eggs around the house. Mosquitoes usually lay eggs on closed water like water accumulated in top, tire, canister, small ground hole and closed drain. If Rima can remove any objects that hold water around the house and make arrangements so that water cannot accumulate it, then number of mosquito will be greatly reduced. She should also use coil and mosquitoes net to prevent mosquitoes. By preventing mosquitoes, Rima can ensure the safety of her family members from dengue. Dear students, for today, these are your competency based questions and answer. Your homework is given here, competency based question answer 1, 2 and 3. Students, this is your second class of your annual term and this homework is too much important. Learn the question answer, follow the class and do the homework because you will get marks for your CT on behalf of your CT, diary and SBA marks based on your SW. So do the SW carefully and learn all the question answer. If you have any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my mobile number and my messenger ID on the board. You can follow the mobile number and the you can call me on the messenger also. So students, I hope you have understood my today's topic and keep practicing, abide by your parents, stay safe, stay at your home. See you soon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.